Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to access this Gala cistern like this one here with this type of flash button. And what you're going to need is a flat blade screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. So first of all, what you want to do is push down on the big button and lift up the little half moon like so, and it will be on a long rod as you can see. Pull that all the way out and put that to one side, and get your finger underneath and do the same with the big button. Then inside you might need a torch to see it, but there is a big Phillips screw inside, so get yourself a Phillips screwdriver, locate that and then turn it anti-clockwise until the screw becomes loose. Once it becomes loose, you can then lift the whole center chrome bit out like so and put that to one side. That is what is holding the cistern lid down. So then put everything to one side, and then what you can do is lift the cistern lid and access everything inside, the fill valve and the flush valve. Once you've done what you need to do, then you can put your cistern lid back on and do everything in reverse order. If this video has helped, please do give it a like, subscribe to the channel. There's over 400 videos on the channel of plumbing related content, so if you're interested in this stuff, do subscribe to the channel. I hope this video has helped.